Welcome to my class of cyber security. Today we will learn about introduction to wireless networking. Wireless means transmitting signals using radio waves as the medium instead of wires. Wireless technologies are used for tasks as simple as switching off the television or as complex as supplying the sales force with information from an automated enterprise application while in the field. Now, cordless keyboards and mice, PDAs, pagers, and digital and cellular phones have become part of our daily life. Wireless networking definition. Wireless networking is a method by which homes, telecommunication network and business installations avoid the costly process of introducing cables into building or as a connection between various equipment locations. A wireless network is a computer network that uses wireless data connections between networks node. Examples of wireless network include cell phone network, wireless local area network, wireless sensor network, satellite communication network, and terrestrial microwave network. Some of the inherent characteristics of wireless communication system which make it attractive to the users are mobility. A wireless communication system allows user to access information beyond their desk and conduct business from anywhere without having a wire connectivity. Reachability. Wireless communication system enable people to stay connected and be reachable regardless of the location they are operating from. Simplicity. Wireless communication systems are easy and fast to deploy in comparison of cable network. Initial setup cost could be a bit high, but other advantages overcome that high cost. Maintainability. In a wireless system, we don't have to spend too much cost and time to maintain the network setup. Roaming services. Using a wireless network system, we can provide service anywhere, anytime, including train, buses, aeroplanes, etc. New services. Wireless communication system provide various smart services like SMS and MMS. Wireless and wired computing. Wireless networks allow devices to stay connected to the network but roam untethered to any wires. Access point amplify Wi-Fi signals so a device can be far from a router but still be connected to the network. When connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot at a cafe, a hotel, at an airport lounge or another public place, we are connecting to that business's wireless network. Wired network uses cables to connect devices such as laptop or desktop computers to the internet or another network. Wired network has disadvantage is device is tethered to a router using cables connected at one end to an Ethernet port on the network router and at the other end to a computer or other device. Wireless benefits. Business can experience benefit from wireless network including convenience, access your network resource from any location within wireless network coverage area or from any Wi-Fi hotspot. Mobility. Employees can go online from anywhere like in conference room meetings. Productivity. Wireless access to the internet and the company's key application and resources help staffs get the job done and encourages collaboration. Easy setup. No need to string cables, so installation can be quick and cost effective. Expandability. Easily expandable wireless network with existing equipment, whereas a wired network might require additional wiring. Security. Advanced wireless network provide robust security protections, reduced cost. Wireless network eliminate wiring expenses so they cost less to operate. Wireless deployment. Wireless deployment can be deployed in three modes. Centralized deployment, traditionally used in campuses where buildings and networks are in close proximity, which consolidates the wireless network and makes upgrade easier. Facilities advanced wireless functionality. Controllers are based on premises and are installed in a centralized location. Coverage deployment. For small campuses, coverage deployment offer consistency in wireless and wired connections. This deployment coverage wireless and wired on one network device and access switch and performs the dual role of both switches and wireless controller. Third one is cloud-based deployment. System uses the cloud to manage network devices deployed on premises at different location and require cloud managed devices which provide full visibility of the network through their dashboards. Wireless, how it looks like. The wireless network looks like this. There is an access point and all the different networks are connected. Different devices are connected with each other, but they all of them are wireless. Types of wireless networking. Different types of wireless networks are WLAN. This network enables to access the internet in localized hotspot via a wireless local area network access card and a PDA or laptop. It is a type of local area network that uses high frequency radio waves rather than wires to communicate between nodes. These networks provide a very fast data speed compared with the data rates of mobile telecommunications technology and their range is very limited. Wi-Fi is the most widespread and popular example of WLAN. Next is WWAN. WWAN is wireless wide area network. WWAN are created through the use of mobile phone signals typically provided and maintained by specific mobile phone that is cellular service provider. They can provide a way to stay connected even when away from other forms of network access. Next is WMAN, wireless metropolitan area network. Now what is wireless metropolitan area network? Wireless network which work in metropolitan cities. They are the example of wireless metropolitan area network. Next is WPAN. It is wireless personal area network. WPAN are short range network that uses Bluetooth technology. They are commonly used to interconnect compatible devices near a central location such as a desk. A WPAN has a typical range of about 30 feet. Wireless local area network, WLAN. Wireless local area network uses radio signals instead of traditional network cabling and built by a device called access point, AP. WLAN has well-built status in a different kind of market and set up to provide wireless connectivity within a limited exposure area such as a hospital, airport, a university, gas plant or healthcare providers. WLAN is delivering highest data transfer rate with 802.11 terminologies. What are the advantages of WLAN? Flexibility is one of the advantage. Within radio coverage, nodes can communicate without further restriction. Radio waves can penetrate walls. Sender and receiver can be placed anywhere. Planning. Only wireless ad hoc network allow for communications without previous planning. Any wired network needs wiring plan. Design. Wireless network allows for design of independent small devices which can, for example, be put into a pocket. Cables not only restrict users but also designers of small notepad, PDAs, etc. Robustness. Wireless network can handle disasters. Example, earthquake, flood, etc. Whereas network requiring a wired infrastructure will usually break down completely in disaster. The cost of installing and maintaining a wireless LAN on an average is lower than the cost of installing and maintaining a traditional wired LAN for two reasons. First, after providing wireless access to the wireless network via an access point for the first user, adding additional users to a network will not increase the cost. And second, Wireless LAN eliminates the direct cost of cabling and the labor associated with installing and repairing it. Ease of use. Wireless LAN is easy to use and the users need very little new information to take advantage of WLAN. WLAN technology. The technology used in WLAN is frequency hopping spread spectrum, which maintains a single location channel. The direct sequence spread spectrum gives chip pattern to make it more efficient and infrared technology. The benefit of wireless local area networks are high range and coverage integrity, interoperability with wireless infrastructure, interference, simplicity, ease, security, cost, scalability and safety, which makes a great platform for wireless network. However, there are some disadvantages of WLAN also, like the quality of wireless LAN is typically lower than the wired network. The main reason for this is the lower bandwidth due to limitation is radio transmission, higher error rate due to interference and higher delay due to extensive error correction and detection mechanism. Several government and non-government institutions worldwide regulate the operation and restrict frequencies to minimize interference. LAN operators don't want to apply for special license to be able to use the product. The equipment must operate in a license-free brand. Due to standardization procedure, many companies has come up with proprietary solutions offering standardization functionality plus many enhanced features. Wireless wide area network. Wireless wide area network is a communication network that extends over a large distance or place. In an enterprise, WWAN can be used for a company's headquarters, cloud services, branch offices, and other facilities. It connects different smaller network such as local area network and metropolitan area network. WWAN don't link individual computer, but it is used to link LANs. WMAN, Wireless Metropolitan Area Network. First communication of network within the metropolitan area is called Metropolitan Area Network and can be achieved by WMAN. This can extend up to the entire city or other related geographic area and can span up to 50 kilometers. WMAN is designed for larger geographical area than a LAN, which covers up to 30 miles with the speed of 34 Mbits per second to 155 megabits per second. WMAN is often used in schools, colleges, and public service supporting a high-speed network backbone. WMAN technology. IEEE 802.16 is the certified name of WMAN that functions on broadband for its wireless metropolitan. WMAN paves the way for certain and provide high-speed internet access to business subscriber. It has the capacity to handle thousands of user stations with collision provision and support legacy voice system, voice over IP, TCP/IP. The term is used for a metropolitan network is WiMAX. WPN, Wireless Personal Area Network. The wireless personal area network are short range network that are used to interconnect the devices based on Bluetooth technology in a central location like a desk. The range of personal area network is about 30 feet. The IEEE standard of WPAN is 802.15 and it is suitable for individual workspace. This provides data transmission for devices such as computer, smartphone, tablet and PDAs. Bluetooth. All of us use Bluetooth technology in our mobile phones. Bluetooth wireless technology is a short range communication technology intended to replace the cables connecting portable unit and maintaining high levels of security. Bluetooth technology is based on ad hoc technology, also known as ad hoc piconets, which is a local area network with a very limited coverage. Bluetooth technology is a high-speed, low-powered wireless technology link that is designed to connect phones or other portable equipment together. Technology specification: IEEE 802.15.1 for the use of low power ratio communication to link phones, computers and other network devices over short distance without fire. WLAN technology enables device connectivity to infrastructure based services through a wireless carrier provider. Bluetooth specification details the entire protocol stack. Bluetooth employs radio frequency for its communication. It makes use of frequency modulation to generate radio waves in the ISM band. The usage of Bluetooth has widely increased for its special features like Bluetooth offers a uniform structure for a wide range of devices to connect and communicate with each other. Bluetooth technology has achieved global acceptance such that any Bluetooth enabled device almost everywhere in the world can be connected with Bluetooth enabled device. Bluetooth offers interactive conference by establishing an ad hoc network of laptop. Bluetooth usage model include cordless computer, intercom, cordless phone and mobile phones. In the diagram, this is explained. Bluetooth connectivity and different types of devices are connected like Bluetooth PDA, Bluetooth printer, Bluetooth cellular phone, Bluetooth stereo headset, Bluetooth headset, Bluetooth notebook and Bluetooth mouse. Next is Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the name of a wireless networking technology that uses radio waves to provide wireless high-speed internet and network connections. Wi-Fi is simply a trademark phrase that means IEEE 802.11x. Wi-Fi uses wireless network which operates on the basis of three essential elements that are radio signal, antennas and router. Wi-Fi compatible devices can connect to internet via WLAN network and a wireless access point abbreviated as AP. Every WLAN has an access point which is responsible for receiving and transmitting data from or to users. IEEE has defined certain specifications for wireless LAN called IEEE 802.11 which covers physical and data link layer. The diagram explains the concept of Wi-Fi. Here smartphones, virtual reality, smart homes, education, car, smart energy, healthcare are all connected with each other with the help of a Wi-Fi. Next is ad hoc network. Ad hoc network are local area network built suddenly as device connect. Instead of relying on a base station to control the flow of messages to each node in the network, the individual nodes forward packet to and from each other. Ad hoc networks are used when there is a need for sharing files or other data directly with another computer but don't have to access a Wi-Fi network. Hence, it is called a temporary computer to computer connection. Ad hoc networks are mostly wireless local area network. The devices communicate with each other directly instead of relying on a base station or access point as in wireless LAN for data transfer coordination. Each device participates in routing activity by determining the route using the routing algorithm and forwarding data to other device via this route. Next is hybrid network. Computer network using more than one type of technology or topology is called a hybrid network. Hybrid network is based on peer-to-peer and client-server relationship. Hybrid networks incorporate the best feature of workgroups in peer-to-peer network with the performance, security and reliability of server-based network. Generally, hybrid access point is a hybrid router which uses Ethernet 802.3 and Wi-Fi 802.11 standard. Hybrid network relies on hubs, switches, routers to connect wireless computers and another network enabled device. Hybrid networks incorporate the best feature of workgroup in peer-to-peer network with the performance, security and reliability of server-based network. Hybrid network still provide all of the centralized services of server, but they also allow users to share and manage their own resource within the workgroup. What are the advantages of hybrid network? Client server application are still centrally located and managed. User can assign local access to resource in their computers. Work group can manage resources without requiring assistance from network administrator. Disadvantages of hybrid networks are user may need to remember multiple passwords. Files can be duplicated and changes overwritten between the computer with the shared folder and server. Files saved on the workstation are not backed up. Thank you for watching.